Welcome back, everyone. So we have very strong winds coming in from this cold front because it just seems like each of these cold fronts that comes through this spring is a little bit different than the last. This one is bringing hurricane force winds, causing partial closures all the way from Buffalo on I-25 all the way down to Cheyenne. And surrounding areas are seeing moderate and high delays. Elk Mountain region seeing those partial closures as well. And even highways leading out to Lander are doing the exact same thing. Here's what you can see on our national satellite and radar. Lots of shower activity, a mix of both rain, snow, and of course mixed precipitation showers throughout just our state and all of our surrounding states as well. So let's go ahead and zoom in. A lot of the cloud cover is actually cleared up from earlier today, at least in the central and southeastern regions, but still seeing lots of shower activity, worst of which is in the northwest. We're talking near the Jackson, Buffalo, or Jackson and Yellowstone region, with a couple more of those rain showers out near Sheridan. What you can expect in our futurecast is the heaviest of which is going to be during the overnight hours, right around 4 a.m. into about 6 a.m. We can expect most of the showers right around the Casper and the Cheyenne region, with heavy snow showers right around Buffalo. We're not expecting a ton in terms of snowfall. Just expect these showers to move through very quickly, because even by 7 a.m., within 3 hours, they're already gone. Those strong winds have pushed them entirely out of the region. But the good news is they're not going to last all that long. Expect some isolated showers throughout the day tomorrow. Snow and rain, depending, of course, on the temperature during that time. But then good news, high pressure comes in. Then we start to see a little bit more shower activity in the northeast. That will move out pretty quickly with those strong wind gusts, because they're lasting for the next 2 to 3 days. In terms of snowfall, I'm not seeing anything really more than about an inch throughout much of the viewing area. Casper expecting about an inch, Buffalo a little bit more, Wheatland about an inch as well. But again, that's not going to stick too easily, considering temperatures tonight will be about at the freezing point, and then it warms right back up into those 40s. How strong are those winds going to be? Well, you're going to wake up tomorrow morning. We're going to see 50-mile-per-hour gusts right around the Cheyenne-Laramie region, 60-mile-per-hour gusts right around Rollins, and I said even more localized areas can see stronger gusts getting up to 70 or even 80 miles per hour. So I do not suggest any outdoor plans, and I do suggest bringing in any loose items you might have outside your house, because that can turn into flying debris with winds these strong. And it's lasting all the way throughout the evening, going into Wednesday morning. It starts calming down, but only for the western side, and then stays strong going into late on Wednesday, especially for the eastern side of the state. Overnight tonight, expect temperatures to be certainly above average. We're talking right around the freezing point for the central areas, and staying in those upper 30s, lower 40s in the southeast. Tomorrow for the highs, they're not going to be all that much warmer than the lows. I'm talking mostly a mid to low 40s, which is below average for this time of year, but you pretty much expect that when it comes to these cold fronts. On our extended, no surprise, windy for the next 3 days. Temperatures staying in the 40s, but then it clears out and warms up as we head toward the end of the week going into the weekend. Casper, you guys are going to see wind lasting just about 2 days, but still warming up and clearing out after that. With the rest of the viewing area, seeing some slight chances of precipitation throughout the day tomorrow. Then once that wind calms down, temperatures warm right back up.